When someone shares a form with me, the person sends an invitation email with a link for me to accept the invitation. Let's check my email for the invitation. There it is. Let's open it. I want to accept the invitation, so I click the link. It brings me to the sign up page. I already have an account, so I click the sign in link. I need to enter my username, which is my email, and my password, and click the sign in button. Alternatively, I can easily sign in using my Google account. Click the sign in with Google button. To see forms shared with me, click the shared with me button on the left toolbar. To see my submission, click the view my submitted forms button on the card. I have just accepted the invitation, so I have yet made any submissions. To make submission, click the open button on the card. It opens the form on another tab. This is a conference registration form. I enter my name, email, and choose the session, and click submit. If this is a public form, I may not access this submitted form again in the future. But, the form creator shares this form with me, so I can access my submission in my account until the form creator removes the submitted form or stops the sharing. To view my previous submission, on the Shared with Me folder, click the View My Submitted Forms button on the card. I can upload my submission to my G Drive or download it on my computer. To view my submitted form, click the Open button on the card.